Hello everybody, welcome back to Axel Gomez Kicks. My name is Axel, and in today's video I will be teaching you the round kick in just 5 minutes. That's right, with this cheat code you're gonna learn it in just 5 minutes. Alright, let's go work out, let's learn. Okay, so first off, you're gonna start doing high knees. High knees. There's another angle. High knees. There you go, very good. For 1 full minute, you're gonna do high knees. For the next minute, you're gonna do a high knee and then you're gonna turn. Pivot your foot and turn your hip. If that's too difficult, you can hang them to something. That's the cheat code. All right, very good. 1 full minute, one leg, 1 full minute, the other leg. All right, all right. For the third minute, you're just gonna extend the leg. Hold on to something, and you're just gonna extend the leg. That's all you're doing. Extend the leg. That's the kick in motion. For the fourth minute, you're gonna combine the first 3 movements: the high knee, turn, pivot, and extend the leg. All right, very good. Just like so. See, that's already the round kick. And for the final minute, you do everything in just 1 motion, and there you have it. That's your round kick. Remember, work on both legs, okay? So there you have it. Very easy 5-minute drill. Work on your round kick, and I promise you, with this technique, with this method, you're gonna get your round kick like a pro in no time. So go work, go train, all right? Go now, go. Pause the video, go back, do everything, and all right, I'll see you later, all right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Come back as many times as you like, and remember, there's nothing more powerful than a determined mind. Take care. I'm watching you. Work out, okay? Train.